Here we are, February 2nd. University's closed again. 2 days in a row, the first time that's ever happened. Not surprised because we have close to 2 feet of snow on the ground. And this is our house, this is what our street looks like. Morning! Morning, neighbour. I saw him get stuck.
I thought it was funny. I was like, can I come help you? He's like, what are you going to do? And I'm like,
I think you need to put a coat on. So me and Jack came out last night and shoveled as much as the drive as we could, and then got kind of tired and cold, so we quit doing it, and then I'm going to finish it off in a few minutes. But one thing I'm worried about is the amount of snow on the roof of our house. There's probably 10 tons or more up there, so I don't know, I guess they're designed to withstand that because it hasn't collapsed yet. Anyway, this is what we're dealing with.